Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So, as you can tell by the title of today's video, what today's video is gonna be about, I'm unboxing a car audio product. So, I've been searching for this product about months and I finally got it. And to everyone who has subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to share, like this video, and let's get into this video. So welcome back guys. So this is what I got: a Clarion equalizer. It's a 6 channel 8 volt RCA line level output 7 band graphic equalizer, 2 selectable inputs, subwoofer level control, front 3.5mm aux input. So this is a owner's manual and installation manual. This comes also with the equalizer. So actually, let me tell you guys, I got this. It was a used equalizer, but the owner had it only for 1 month. So I don't have everything. Everything's not complete, but the most important thing is right here under this. Let me show you guys. This is what the Clarion 7 band equalizer looks like. Sub level, volume, aux in, feeder, 50 Hz, 125 Hz, 315 Hz, 750 Hz, 2.2 kHz, 6 kHz, and 16 Hz. So this actually tune your car audio system better than the aftermarket deck what you buy. So that was my unboxing video. Oh, let me show you guys more. So you have the sub out, aux in, main in, rear out, and front out. So these go on all your amplifiers. You have a little low pass frequency. So thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share this video. So after this video, I will make another video how to install this 7 band Clarion equalizer. So stay tuned. If you don't want to miss that video, hit that subscribe button and that little icon, that bell icon, so you won't miss any of my video. See you in the next video.